our channel.
Today we're gonna be doing at Skullpanda Ink Plum Blossom series unboxing. Hoping we get a secret. The secret for this one. You should put that at the end of the video.
It's like a white. What is it like? Kind of looks like a white. Yeah. I don't know how to describe it.
Oh, by the way, we haven't mentioned the binder.
Oh. So we got a binder for the cards that they come with, so that we don't lose them. Anyway, so since we opened the series 2, we have the series 2, and we have series 3, and is this one called the Sound? Yes, that's from
The Skullpanda.
the Skullpanda Sound.
You can tell. Well, there's not really a fun of it. We're gonna try this again, guys. We're gonna try to open it nicely without breaking it. Oh! I think we got it this time. Oh.
Crap.
Alright. I got it from my side. I guess you need more practice.
That is so rude.
Thank you, Natalie. By the way, that's my little cousin. She's gonna be with us today. Now, these are the dolls that we're supposed to get.
Hey.
But there's also a secret, but it's not in this list. From this collection, my favorite one is the moon. Right there, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's the moon. And I'm gonna circle the ones I want to get. The moon, the forest, the bamboo, the essence, and the valley. Those 5 are my favorite. If you want to look and choose, are we getting different markers now?
Yeah.
I don't think the yellow's gonna come.
I think it is because this is green.
Put it right here. I'm gonna go first.
Why don't let her go first? She's the best.
Okay. I'll let you go first.
I go second because I'm a kid.
We're not doing that. I told you it's gonna be the same color as the background.
You can see it though.
Oh.
Yeah, nobody wants the green one?
Oh. It's for you too? Okay.
Wait,
Are we gonna double circle now?
yeah.
I don't know, I think it was the series that I saw. That I think one of them we finished choosing. So some double circle because we wanna get the same thing. So like we said in the beginning, we're gonna let Natalie go first. So go ahead, choose. You can choose from anywhere. Nice. Okay, so I guess it's now me and you are about to open the box. Yeah, pull it.
Don't look in there, just put it.
So we got this black bag. It's not a black bag, it's a sign, but it has this design. Oh my god, this one. I got this green.
It is.
No, let me see the part.
Oh,
No,
that's
that's
a
a forest.
It's a forest. Oh, this is cute.
Oh yeah, that's the one I wanted. Did it bring no accessories? Oh, what's this one there? That's cool. Oh, it says the design. This thing was created utilizing the technique of partial. Oh, well, actually, this is new. The old series didn't have this explaining the details. That's this one. So that's kind of cool. So I guess now we have to keep both.
Wait,
Alright. I go. Always. I always choose from the back.
Wait, I'm kind of dented.
It's heavy.
But
Why? It's dented.
when we were coming back,
But it was sealed.
yeah, but
Maybe when
remember
they
we had
packed
the
it.
bag of coffee
It could be.
and the what's
Huh? Yeah, it's not far. It's in clean. It's such a good thing. Because online it takes longer. I'm not looking. Coffee is big.
You did look in
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
Oh
You
my
saw
God, no, I
it.
did not. Right, Natalie? Did I look? No.
Yes, you did.
Oh, look, it's so cute. Let's cut it off. This one is, if I'm not mistaken, the green is this one. No, it's this one. Yeah, it's this one, the courier. I guess that's the one you want.
Oh, the card is dented.
Oh no.
Because it was like that in the back.
This,
But I think we get fixed when we put it in the binder.
it didn't come with like a small card?
Maybe. I just did.
Oh, okay, so let's not mix it. So this is supposed to, it's supposed to go like this. But it's not. For some reason. So we're gonna close that one. That was the courtyard. So we got two.
You know why I think it's just
So guard. So no secret. So we still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright.
my turn, finally.
I think it came down there.
My turn. I'm gonna choose from the front because nobody has chosen the front yet. Oh, okay. I'm better. I've gotten better. I can't tell.
Yeah, it's hard to tell at all anyway.
Because they all have like little
We're gonna call them air mugs. Okay, so they look like little air mugs. Hold up. Oh, it's the snow. I got excited for me.
yeah, the secret one is also
Yeah.
white, so it kind of gets confused.
Oh. So this one, they didn't take a small card. At all. Oh wow.
Well, this is really
Finale. This one also didn't came with a small card. It looks good though. That's the one. That's weird. I thought, I don't know, the two first that we got, they had like a small little. No, I think it goes in the cover. Yeah. Oh. And the app, you shake it like one time, and then let you see like that. I'm shaking it to like. is kind of heavy. And
I know.
yeah, out of all of them, this feels heavy.
Maybe the
The body, right? Or the moon. I want the moon.
What the heck is that?
That's the one you choose.
That's my favorite picture.
I like it. It's pretty. It kind of makes sense, the name, the boot. Like you can see like sprout. And there's a flower.
And on its makeup, on its face, it has like a little...
Yeah, a little like thorn coming out. And there's a flower there on her head. A sprout coming out. Also, this one doesn't have a small heart. Don't jinx it. Alright, let me cross that one. We don't want doubles. Perfect.
Watch. You pull, look. Just so you guys can see, you pull this in with your finger. Pull it up. So you guys... I don't want to look in the box because I just think what it is. I want it to be surprised.
I was like, my foot's right there. Like,
Come on, man.
and she didn't even open it right.
Oh. Guys.
It looked like she wanted to swing like a goat. That's the one I wanted. Right here. The valley. Much more color? I like this one. It's like the...
You know what I
what is it?
noticed
The
about these
samurai.
cards? Like when you put it against like the light, it shimmers. Like look,
You know what? All the series have like a flower.
mm-hmm.
You know, like a series.
That one looks weird. It has a flower.
No, but I mean like this. Big flower. Here, there.
Oh, this one too.
Yeah.
This one too.
It looks like a little samurai. Okay, nice.
Oh, okay.
Oh. That trick worked. Oh.
No, I can't. Oh,
Oh, she got the moon.
oh crap.
I think this is the one I think it glows. Yes, it does glow. That's what.
Oh, that is
And
cool.
You add this.
This is the card.
Like that. Like, yeah, like that.
It looks really good.
Yeah, I like that one. Oh, this one got a little card. This one there came with a little card.
Like
Oh, I guess because it tells you like something to do with it because it's a small thing like instruction. I'm having a hard time putting the little head on first. Got it. So, okay, we got the moon. I wanted it there. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
we're mixing the moss, the spring, the snow.
Well, maybe we can get the secret.
We got the one.
Oh, sorry. I gotta put one out.
And we are opening the book.
Yep. Well, maybe we get the secret. But I love this one because it glows.
It glows and it looks amazing.
Yeah.
Now just imagine seeing that at night.
Oh, it will look amazing. And it's gonna go on that wall right there. As you can see, it's growing.
We're gonna put
You know, we just started. It's growing little by little, but that's what all my Skullpandas are gonna go.
We're gonna put
No,
probably those like at the top.
I think this one is gonna go on the top.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get on the chair.
Yep. I'm also putting it up because I have a 2-year son and he's in the clothes. So, water it up.
That's
Oh,
the moss.
it's so soft. You see? Look, feel it.
Like the hair is like fuzzy on the top, and then That's the
But it's like, no, it only came with this card. No small card. I guess maybe this is like this bunches of cards.
My turn, finally, after waiting 100 million years.
She's trying to play her love to get the secret.
As well.
Funny the spirits, I guess.
Guys, honestly, the secret, like on the box, I mean, you can kind of see the designs on the box, but it is really, really good. But it kind of like shows you like what type of shape.
I know it's funny what I'm gonna say, but when I started looking at this series and everything, and I used to hear the secret, that's how I started searching it for, like to buy them. And I don't know, it was like a different.
That's so, guys, I actually opened it right.
Oh, she did, and not too much forward. Okay.
This is the spring.
Oh, actually, I'm regretting it.
This is super cute. Never judge a book by its cover. Yeah.
Lesson learned today. It's like it's giving the little sprout. You see? Like on the front.
And its makeup also matches.
Okay, man.
And one thing that we noticed for each like of these, it comes with this flower on the back or the front.
Yeah, what's up for it?
You see? And if you look on all of them, it has at least.
Yeah, the moon has it too. It's like a little colorful, but it's like right there. It's like a cute little thing. We got 2 more boxes to go. And we still have no secret. But we still need to get the snow and the bridge and bamboo. No, we haven't got the snow. No, we still got 2 left. I just have to put it in the binder after we finish. So we don't lose it. Oh, the bamboo. You got the one from the box.
Yes.
Oh, you got the one from the box, from like actually from the collection, like the one in the main box.
And it comes with a little lamp.
Yeah, and let's not forget the car. Yeah, actually, this one brings. That's a big.
Why are you shaking?
I don't know, just to bring up. You do this, I do this.
Hurry
You do the
up.
secret. I really want the secret. From these 2 series, I really didn't want the secret. I have no love for the secret. Yeah. So, we need the snow and the secret. Ah, okay. Oh. Did we get the bridge already?
No, I'm pretty sure we got it.
I think yes we did. That was the snow. Never mind.
You see, that's what I was
This
saying.
is another one that I really like. That I actually wanted it to get. This one is
So,
we'll see. We have 1 box left.
so
See?
you could either get the bridge
Or
or
the
the
secret. We have 1 box left.
Guys, well, I'm gonna put a
Oh wait, I think you brought something. Oh, no, oh. That's so wow.
This is why you check the boxes before you put them into her hair.
Oh, it's like a Chinese pen. Look.
Oh, like the lady had her pudding.
Yeah. Like, yeah. Oh, the flower again.
It's always that flower. I'm pretty sure it's one of these types of
Maybe we missed something in that one. I had like a little special time for it to make you bleed. All of us.
Yeah.
Maybe it helps. But I don't complain. I think the whole series is nice.
I'm pretty sure I have good luck because on one of the collecting ones, there's one I have gotten none of us even knew.
Oh, talk about the gold nuggets.
Yeah,
You
it's
went
like-
crazy collecting the little nuggets from McDonald's.
And honestly, I didn't even know that one existed. And honestly, I didn't even want to go to McDonald's that day. I was tired. But I went and we got the golden nuggets.
So you're trying to say why you're gonna be able to pull the sticker out?
Who knows?
1 minute two.
That's it.
Nope.
But this is still cool.
Yeah.
Look, and the flower again. And you see the makeup is different.
No.
Well, I am happy with the ones that we got. And this is the other one.
Yep.
But these are honestly all very pretty. You know.
So, like we did last video, you know, I'll explain it. We'll have to explain it to Natalie. So at the end, we usually choose our top three. Okay. So could you open it first? You want first? You go first and choose your top three.
Choose a second. This is the first.
She like the valley. That's the valley.
The second one will be
The snow.
the snow. For the third one, I'll put choose a different one.
Okay. So for me, my top three would choose the one one. That's skiing. So my main one I wanted to get was the bamboo. It's my top one. The top two is the ascent. And it's funny because I didn't choose this one. I didn't even take it because I thought it wasn't cute. But now that I open it and I see it, it's my top three.
See, my top three, and I honestly didn't always like it. It
That
is
was
so
so-
cute.
The courtyard. I think I'm gonna have to glue this so it doesn't fall out because it's supposed to go here, but it
it's like-
doesn't click. So I guess when you put it, it stays. But maybe I'll glue it. Maybe I do. Maybe I'm not.
My second one is most likely.
So,
It is so cute.
you know what? It's like a deer.
To me, it reminds me of one of those like creepy baby dolls. Because of this part in the makeup, it reminds me of one of those creepy baby dolls. And honestly, my third one is this one. Like its hair is so cool.
Even the legs, I think. You can touch the legs.
Oh, and her pants. Like her little
Like,
legs.
I forgot how you pull that. Like,
It's fuzzy. Oh, I didn't notice this. There's like a little thing. Those are my top three, and those are theirs. Wait, you forgot this one. You find it.